What if I told you your wallet is hiding a secret tax loophole that could be worth hundreds of pounds every year? When I first moved to the UK from India, I had no idea I was leaving money on the table. For 2 years, I used a bank debit card that earned me absolutely nothing on over £15,000 of annual spending. Then I discovered the credit card strategy that completely transformed our family finances. Last year alone, we earned over £600 in cashback and enjoyed 4 free airport lounge visits worth £120, all without paying a penny in fees. And the best part, unlike investment returns, these credit card rewards are completely tax-free in the UK. It's like having a perfectly legal way to earn extra income that most families completely overlook. Stick around as I reveal the only 3 credit cards UK families need to own in 2025 to maximize rewards without the complexity. Hello, my name is Suman. I document my journey of building wealth in the UK as someone who moved here from India, sharing both the wins and the losses to help you make smarter financial decisions. In this video, I am breaking down the only 3 credit cards UK families need to own in 2025. Cards that can transform your everyday spending into free holidays, cashback, and exclusive perks most people don't even know exist. Let me be transparent. I will share details on the American Express Gold card with a referral link in the description box below. Using it helps support the channel at no extra cost to you. Let's discuss why the right credit card matters. Think about where your family money goes each month. Groceries, fuels, holidays, children's activities, eating out, etc. Now imagine getting 1 to 5% of that back just by changing which card you use. A typical family spending £2,000 monthly could earn approximately £240 per year. That's a weekend trip or a fancy dinner with the family, completely free. Before using a credit card, remember these 2 rules. Number 1 is always pay your balance in full at the end of the month. You can set up direct debit so that the full balance get deducted from your bank account every month, so that you don't have to pay any interest on your credit card bill. And rule number 2 is never make any purchase because there is some offer on your credit card. For example, some card will offer additional discount on certain brands. Please don't go and buy things because there are discounts available on your card. These credit cards are not about spending more money. They are about getting more from what you are already spending. First up, the American Express Gold Card. This isn't just a payment method, it's a travel hacking powerhouse. The annual fee for this card is £195. But here is your first hack. It's often completely free for the first year of your membership. Test drive premium benefit without paying anything. The welcome bonus is where it gets exciting. You will get 40,000 points when you spend £3,000 in the first 3 months. This is a limited time offer and is present till 27th of May 2025. After that, the bonus points becomes 22,000. This is free money for just signing up. Now, the crown jewel for families who travel is lounge access with this card. As a gold card holder, you get priority pass membership with 4 free lounge visits per year. When we used this at Manchester Airport in the UK last summer, instead of spending £50 plus on airport food while cramped in the terminal, we relaxed in the lounge with complimentary food and refreshments. Through the hotel collection, you will get room upgrade, £100 hotel credit, and early check-in or late checkout. As a parent with young children, that late checkout is golden when your children needs a nap. Where this card truly shines is with transfer partners. You can move point to British Airways or Virgin Atlantic, Emirates Skyward, for flight and upgrades. I recently bought 2 return tickets from Manchester to Kolkata in India using the points and just paid £962 for 2 people. Sometimes you can also get good discount on selected partners. For example, last year we got really good discount of around £250 on Royal Caribbean cruises. This card also provides travel insurance cover for your whole family when you book the trips with this card and Amex travel website, potentially saving hundreds of pounds on your policies in a year. Another perk, if you are someone who uses Deliveroo for regular takeaways, is that this card offers £5 back twice every month. That is £10 per month. Now, this is not a reason for you to go and order food on Deliveroo, but if you're someone who regularly uses Deliveroo, you can use this as a really nice perk. So the pros for this card is excellent travel rewards, lounge access, flexible points, great intro bonus, and travel insurance. And the cons are annual fee after the first year. Amex isn't accepted everywhere in the UK, so it's a good idea to have a non-Amex card like a MasterCard or Visa if you're living in the UK. To be honest, when I first took my card, my plan was to return after 1 year and not pay the fee. But currently, I'm on my 3rd year and I am actually saving a lot more money than the fees that I'm paying. This card is perfect for families who can meet the spending requirement so that they earn more money than what they're paying as fees. The next card is, if you are not a heavy spender on your credit card and want a straightforward cashback card with no annual fee, then check out the Amex Cashback Everyday Card. This was a card which I used before going on to the Amex Gold Rewards card. The big plus for this card is that there is absolutely no annual fee. It is perfect for families who want rewards without justifying a premium card fee. If you use my link down below in the description, you will get an introductory bonus offer of 5% cashback for the first 5 months. After that, it will be 0.5% on spending up to £10,000 yearly and 1% above that. For a typical family spending £500 monthly on groceries, £200 on fuel and £300 on miscellaneous expenses, that's £12,000 yearly, earning around £80 in cashback. That's a free family meal or a Christmas present without changing your spending habits. Another valuable family benefit is purchase protection, covering eligible items against damage or theft for 90 days. With young children at home, this is incredibly reassuring when buying electronic items. The pros for this card is no annual fee, simple cashback, good introduction offer, excellent customer service for Amex. The cons are lower cashback than other fee cards, and the second problem with Amex is it is not accepted everywhere. This card is ideal for families wanting a simple, no fuss cashback on everyday expenses without annual fee, and it is perfect for set it and forget it rewards. Our third card is essential for families who travel internationally, the Halifax Clarity Credit Card. Another reason to have this card in the UK is that Amex is not accepted in many small shops. So having a Visa or MasterCard is always a good idea. You can also use your debit card as a backup instead of having another credit card. Halifax Clarity Credit Card is another £0 annual fee card. But what makes this special isn't what it gives you, it's what it doesn't take away. This card's superpower: no foreign transaction fees abroad. Most cards charge around 3% on overseas purchases. That's £30 extra per £1,000 spent. For example, on our Europe trip last year, we spent roughly £2,000 on accommodation, meals, and other attractions. Using the Halifax Clarity card saved about £60. That's an extra family meal or another attraction. Because of this, we don't stress about carrying too much travel money or emergency large expenses while you are traveling abroad. As a MasterCard, it's accepted virtually everywhere worldwide, making it the perfect companion to an Amex for complete coverage. The pros for this card is no annual fee, saves money overseas, and widely accepted. The cons for this card is no reward for UK day-to-day spending, interest on cash withdrawals from day one if you're doing it through the ATM. This card is essential for families who travel abroad regularly. It saved us hundreds when visiting family in India and trips to Europe as compared to standard UK credit cards. Let's compare all three cards to help you decide which is the right one for you. Amex Gold is perfect for travel-loving families wanting premium perks, best if you travel 2 to 3 times a year and can meet the spending requirement to offset the annual fees. Amex Everyday Cashback card is ideal for simple everyday cashback with no annual fees. It is perfect for families wanting rewards without the complexity of fees. The Halifax Clarity Card is essential for fee-free spending abroad. Even one international trip yearly makes this card worthwhile. Consider your family's spending habits and priorities before choosing a card. Many families, including mine, benefit from multiple cards. I use Amex Gold for my day-to-day spending and Halifax Clarity for overseas travel, getting the best of both worlds. Before applying for these credit cards, keep these considerations in mind. The eligibility criteria applies. Good credit score is required to get eligible for these cards. If you have recently moved to the UK like I did many years back, you might need a few years to build your credit history before being eligible for the card. Always check the latest offers. Terms and conditions change frequently, and often there are some special promotions going on. For example, the offers which I mentioned in this video are for a limited time only and it is applicable for the Amex card. Responsible spending is crucial. This cards only make sense if you pay off in full every month. Set up a direct debit and treat your credit card like a debit card, and never ever pay interest on a credit card as they charge you crazy high rates. Consider a mix of card for maximum benefit. Different cards for different purposes creates a powerful strategy. Remember, the goal isn't spending more. It's getting more value from what you are already spending. If you don't already have the money in your bank account, don't use the credit card to make the transaction. So there you have it. The 3 best credit card for UK families in 2025. American Express Gold Card for travel benefit and flexible points. American Express Cashback Everyday Card for simple, no fee cashback on your everyday purchase. Halifax Clarity Credit Card for fee-free spending while traveling abroad. Which card sounds best for you and your family? Let me know in the comment section below. If this video helped you choose a card, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more practical financial advice for UK families, especially if you have moved here from abroad like I did. Links to all the Amex card mentions are in the description box below for you to check it out. If you use my link, I might get some cashback as a referral bonus and you will also get some additional bonus. This is Dr. Suman helping you build your wealth one step at a time. See you in the next video.